Alright, I decided to do a video just for kicks. So this is the bit about the handle that I was talking about. These little nubs, they're not raised up a lot, but you're just constantly aware of them the entire time you're vacuuming, and like you grip. You can see like this one right here is just like rubbing constantly, I don't know, on your fingers and stuff. I mean, both of them. Anyway, that's pretty stupid. And then the other stupid thing is this this brush thing, which is kind of cool. I like it. And it's got this lock here, which kind of looks like you like push it, but I think to get it out you just push down here and then it slides out. But then to retract it, you push down and nothing happens. You can't really push. I don't even know how to do it. Like just there. And like, so I did it, but every single time that I use this, it's like always a struggle. Even though I just did it, it's like I still don't really know what the release mechanism is. There's some sort of like hinge part there, but there's nothing design-wise that tells you like where to press, except for this thing that looks like you're supposed to press there, but it kind of worked, but I mean, I'm pushing pretty hard. My thumb's turning white. So anyway, that's pretty dumb.
Because I like this color better. Blizzard CX1.
Whoa.
Okay, it's not so light, but it's also not crazy heavy. The packaging is amazing, easily slide out. I forgot to record that. Yes, I see. Put them away. Thank you. Oh, this is cool. Comes with a hose, which we don't know will be attached there. Other end. I love this part. The fact that it comes with two. This hardwood floor piece is amazing. Oh, look at this. It comes with sorry, I can't use. Amora, stay out of there. Anyways, I'll figure that out in a minute. With this one. Me personally, I don't like these. These are not my favorite. I prefer that one. But I have used these before. They do work. So this is meant for carpet. And then if you push down on this button, the bristles come out for the like hardwood floors.